Yawning, a seemingly simple act, has puzzled scientists for centuries. Research suggests that yawning may help regulate brain temperature. Yawning could be a response to changes in carbon dioxide and oxygen levels in the body. Interestingly, yawning is contagious due to our brain's mirror neuron system. Some studies link yawning to empathy and social bonding. Yawning is seen across various species, suggesting its deep evolutionary roots. So next time you yawn, remember it's not just about being tired. It's a fascinating scientific phenomenon.